If you've been following up on this very channel, you should confirm this when I was talking about this divergence, and that market is going to move right down. And that is exact same thing we are seeing right now. After the CPI data on Thursday, we see the market begin to move right down to the downside. And that is what I was talking about on this very channel. So if you are in this very position to the downside, congratulations. And this is time to keep selling USDJPY. I'll be talking about more of this in this very video. Look at Euro USD moving all the way to the upside according to prediction. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other Forex content. USDJPY moving to the downside as expected. Though momentum around this area of resistance, and all of a sudden market come back to the downside. Before this movement, I talked to you about this very significant divergence, and this is a bearish divergence, as you can see on the chart right now. And that is the reason why I told you not to pay attention to buying the market to the upside, and that even though market move upward a little bit, market is still going to come back to the downside aggressively because of this divergence that is on the chart. My job on this channel is to help you be in the right direction of the market as soon as possible when there is a trend change. And if you look at this very area, market continue to come back to the downside, and that is what I am expecting as we resume next week of trading. I am expecting that this market continue this movement to the downside as a result of this very divergence, which is a bearish divergence on the chart right now to the downside. So on the one-day chart, USDJPY, pay attention to market coming back to the downside, and your first target is this very area of support I'm going to show you right now. This very point of support is a very important support right now that I am expecting market to move into, and a breakout on this level of support is going to send us into this very area of support as well. So these two supports are very important in the market right now. And like I said, USD will be weak at the moment, and that is why we are seeing the market moving against the dollars. And especially in the last CPI data for the past 2 days that was released, the market is against the US dollars, and that is why we are going to see decline in USD in the coming days of trading. So pay attention to market moving into this area first of all, and if there is a breakout here, which I'll be updating you on this channel, then this area is a possibility for market to come into this very point. So this is what you need to be paying attention to right now on USDJPY one-day chart. A divergence, which means market is going to come back down aggressively, just as you can see right now. So if you want to buy USDJPY, please change that perspective. USDJPY right now is for a sell, and that is what majority of traders are looking out for right now. So pay attention to setting the market on the one-day chart USDJPY. And on the 4-hour chart right here, something very significant. If you look at this very point, you discover that the market is already coming to the downside. So if you want to enter this position on the 4-hour chart, you need to pay attention to this, which is very important right now. Look at it. Market is at this very point of support, and we are seeing rejection right now. So on the immediate short term, on the 4-hour chart, what you need to do is to pay attention to this very retracement that will come into the market, and then you continue shorting to the downside. So as we resume the market on Monday next week, pay attention to this very retracement that will come into the market from this very zone of 157.74 and this very area of 156.73. So this zone is what you should pay attention to right now, because from this area market is going to retrace and then continuation to the downside. So at the end of retracement, that is when you have to short the market to the downside. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now, guys, and this is what I am personally expecting and focusing on right now. Keep selling the market on USDJPY. Market will continue that downward movement, but on the 4-hour chart, you need to wait for that retracement to come in and then continuation to the downside from this very zone, which is so important right now on the chart. And on Euro USD, look at this, guys. Market is closing above this very level of resistance, and it has not happened before for some couple of days and weeks. And this is what we are seeing right now. A close above this very level of resistance is very important right now. I told you that market is going to move to the upside, and exact same thing we are seeing right now. Market moving upward, and this very point of resistance is so important. So what I am paying attention to right now is when the market resume on Monday. So if we see the market resume on Monday and there is a gap, then that means market is going to further move all the way to the upside. And if there is no gap, as far as we've seen this market close above this level of resistance, I am still anticipating that this move continue to the upside on the 1-day chart Euro USD. Okay, pay attention. I am still expecting that the market move to the upside on the 1-day chart Euro USD. And if you look at the RSI indicator, market is moving upward. So you can draw a trend from this very point right here on the RSI to this very area moving upward. So expectation is that the market should continue moving to the upside, maintaining this very trend structure. So we can see a possibility of market on this very RSI come back down to touch this very area, but it should still continue upward into this very level of overbought condition. And this is what I am expecting right now on the RSI. Market should continue upward. That means market on the Euro USD will continue upward. That means Euro will be strong in the next couple of days against the dollars. So pay attention to buying the market on Euro USD right now on the 1-day chart. And on the 4-hour chart, look at it, guys. Market is creating higher highs from this high to this very point, to this very area, and to this very point. So if you are trading on the 4-hour chart, this is what you need to do right now. Don't buy the market at this very point. Why? Because market has moved all the way from here into this very area. This is a significant move after the CPI data, which means I am expecting correction or retracement before the market is going to move up again. So as we resume the market on Monday on Euro USD, please pay attention to market moving downward for a retracement. This very point of 1.0920 and where the market is right now, expect the market to from here retrace downward to find support around this area before continuation to the upside. So when the market resume on Monday, don't just buy the market, wait for that retracement to come in. After retracement, market is still going to move upward. So pay attention to buying the market on Euro USD, and on USDJPY, pay attention to selling the market after retracement as well on the 4-hour chart. This is the weekly bias for this very week on these two pairs. This is very important, guys. Pay attention to this and always be in the right direction of the market. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other Forex content. And if you've not registered with any broker, I have a recommended broker for you in the description of this very video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.